Take command of the road in the 2013 Toyota Highlander. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Toyota are offered, including variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and a split folding rear seat. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.